Okay, my Kodak Ultra Mini projector has just arrived, and let's do a quick unboxing. I got this off of Amazon, of course, and it's the 150 version, and cost me, I think, about $240. I'll be using this mainly to project and enlarge different artwork from my phone onto canvas or other mediums. As it is a KODAK LUMA 150 portable wireless projector. Seems nicely packed. The side ones? Yeah, no side ones. I think we end up paying more money for packaging than the parts these days. And I've complained before about the great products coming into shitty packets, so I can't argue too much about that either. All right, here's the unit itself. One of the great selling points of this is that it's super ultra compact. There's a focus wheel here, power on button. It does have an external speaker, internal battery. Here it has a headphone jack, USB, HDMI, a C cable, I guess that's for charging, USB-C. What's this little hole here? I'm not sure if that's a mic. Let me put it a little closer to my head here. It says ARA. So I'm pretty sure that's just a little hole for a reset button. And it has a micro SD card also. It's online, all the reviews are excellent for it, but of course they're saying that the sound quality is not that great for a small unit, small speaker like this. And of course, it doesn't have the greatest of picture quality also. I think you can put, it comes up to 1080, I guess. You can put 4K through it. I'm sure you're not going to get too much of that out of it. And what else? Anyway, has also the quarter threaded mount hole here. Assuming those are either air holes plus or additional speaker holes. I'm pretty sure it's just air holes to get the little air into the unit. Anyway, there are controls here that light up after you get a charge. I'm gonna have to charge it for at least a few hours before I get started in using it. And I think what happens is there are 4 different arrows here that light up and give you access to doing certain things to the unit. Okay, it also comes with, of course, the quick start manual. What else we have hidden inside here? Oh, let's open that up. And we have, let's see, is this an HDMI cable? A little short HDMI cable, so you can connect your computer, I guess. Leave that out. And in here, I'm sure we have the power cable. Wow. Comes with some alternate power features, I guess, for European market. Coming out of here. Which is great because I think the other one I was looking at, the 100, didn't even have a break for it. You'd have to supply that on your own. They have other units also. Here's the power cable directly. And that's why you can put different units on it depending on where you're working from. Let's see how that works. Yeah, that's a good question. I'll figure it out. But what was I saying? Yeah, they have other units here. Let's see how you do it here and slide it in. They have other units. I think they have, this is 150. I think they have a 200, 250, 300 at least. I know for sure. And they even have a 450 or something like that. You look into it. And as you go up, you get the better picture quality at a larger picture, but the unit itself gets massive also at that point. All right, so that's about it. I'm going to charge this up, and when I get it all set up and get started with my first project, I'll upload that video.